Hello, everybody. Welcome to the presentation for our team. We're C-Lit builders, and we're going to build a AI-powered shelf stock estimation project. This is a project that is done in collaboration with Coles, and it's led by somebody in the Cisco department, the IT department here at La Trobe University. Let me introduce our team. So my name is Raksa. We have Hui, Anastasia, Tao, and Tanvir. So the problem is currently stocking shelves is very manual. There are some other ways like sensors or there are other methods as well, and ceiling cameras are not good because they're used for security. Manual checks require time and effort to walk around the whole store, and currently there are no really good equipment to automate the shelf estimation process. So our solution is we're going to utilize the existing cameras that are in most supermarkets, so the ceiling cameras, and we're going to use it to feed it into an AI. First, we're going to pre-process it. We're going to do some segmentation, hopefully some monocular depth estimation, some heuristics, and we'll generate an output of the percentage of the how full the shelf is. And then we're going to have a real-time dashboard and a CSV export and an API for the POS system and ERP as well.
Yep. And now we move to the vision of the AI. So when we apply the AI to the camera, so this is how the vision look like. So actually the camera will capture from the ceiling camera and it's just automatic frame selection. So it means it will capture the image per 15 minutes, and then we apply the processing, the segmentation, and do some molecular depth. It means depth estimation to separate to know it separate layer on the image of the self. And after that, it will doing some act install by calculate the percentage fill per SKU, and then send the review alert to the start and log the result to the database for future analysis. And this is how the AI view it. So like imagine this is the banana itself. Current status is 25%. So it's below 50%. So it's gonna alert to the staff to review it on the apple or the broccoli. So to apply this AI to the camera, we're doing some AI research with some model that can handle the research. So first, if we explore some instant segmentation and detection, which is the Ultra Detect YOLO 11 is the latest one, and it's pretty good because it will be doing some instant segmentation and return the mask per item, and from that mask we can analyze how many layers are there and the which kind of fruit we are processing. And for the molecular depth estimation, we discover is MIDAS from PyTorch to estimate the depth. And so from that depth, we can estimate the layers by layer to calculate the totals. So it will return a map mask and it will show the percentage fill, and it will send from the percentage field, it's gonna alert the employee. And currently, the frames are captured every 15 minutes from the steering camera, and we are to experiment to see which one the best performing model. So these two are just the sample model we are discovered so far. So this is the workflow, how the whole the whole app working. So from the image source, it will capture from the steering camera, or especially the user can upload their own self product to the front end, which is the web page. And from the web page, it will process the data is here, and it will move to the AI model. And from the AI model, it will apply the ultralytics YOLO 11 to do some segmentation, and also pass through the meters to do the depth estimator. And from that, we got the percentage need to fill and the quantity of the product. And we move it to the database. And from the database, we got the data and we create the dashboard for it. And this is all of our AI research so far. And now we move to the prototype. So our team, the front end team, they are doing some prototype about the Figma so far. This is gonna be the homepage, the UI look like. So this is a navbar with the home. This is the home page, and it introduces how the base working, how the AI working. So here you can upload your own image or using some AI analyze. Then it will doing some AI analyze, and from the AI analyze, it's going to view the result. It's going to be the dashboard right there. So in the dashboard, this is um, the time series that is stop over time. So this is our prototype for the Figma. And also we got a link here, and yeah, to the UI. And this is our tech stack we planning to use to build our web app. The first one is GitHub. Yeah, because we need to have the version control and to manage our repository. With the front end, we use Next.js and Figma to build our single page application to increase the efficiency to our web app. And for Jira, we used to do the planning stuff for our team. And with the backend, is how 4 stack we're gonna use. So for ASP.NET Core, we use to control the flow between the AI to the front end and generate some API processing. And for the AI, it's actually Ultralytics, which is the YOLO 11. This is the AI model for instance segmentation. And for the database, we're gonna use the PostgreSQL. That's our plan if we use the database. And yeah, the meters for depth estimator. So this is our resources attached to our slides. We see the first one is the Figma link. It will give you the UI prototype. And this is our brochures, the poster to our projects. And this is the AI sources. We see the GitHub link to the model. So let's go to Figma. So this is our prototype so far, which is the homepage, upload page, table view, and the dashboard view. And from the dashboard view, we have like the filter to every product. And yeah, we have the two view, like the dashboard view or the table views for the product so far, which is the homepage for the Figma. And now we go to the brochures. So this is our brochure for the project. Yep. You can see it will doing some summary of our AI powered stock level estimation planning. And this is the poster of our project. Yep. And the last one is the AI source. we see the GitHub repository of the model we're gonna use for future. It will include all the instance segmentation, and it will help us to use how to use the model with the chaining, and yeah, how to do the CI/CD as well. And that's it for our presentation for the Chaser for our project. And thank you for listening. And this is our team, Silip Builder. Thank you.